Alrighty, guys. We're chasing a repair, guys. I think he's leaning toward a cam sensor for this thing. The cam sensor is the old model style. I don't know how many of you guys are around back in this era. Okay. The cam sensor is adjustable, guys. So from the look of the old cam sensor, it was touching the gear. All right. So we need one of those paper spacers. Okay. See if I can find you an image of one right now. So we're waiting on parts, guys. So when parts get here, you're gonna fire this up and get back going. So let me go over here, guys. I saw an engine over here, a Hemi. I don't know who replacing this engine. It's a brand new long block. Yeah. Look at all the goodies coming in a nice box and everything. Guys, don't start me the line as far as why I know you guys like to speculate. Oh, Dodge, a piece of junk. Not necessarily, guys. I don't know why this. A lot of times these engines could be self-induced, or the customer self-induce a problem. Run through water. You know you can't compress water, so why you see a puddle of water, you're going to try to drive through it anyway. So the really only thing to transfer is the front timing chain cover and, of course, the intake, and then you should be good to go. But, yeah, all of that was in here. Okay. All right, guys, he's done with the Viper. Let's go check it out.
Oh, man, can get in there. If Sherman Clump can get in there, you can get in there.
Alright, guys, so y'all remember the car with the all-wheel drive 5.7 liter Hemi? Yes, remember I was diagnosing it and the conclusion was transmission has failed. Yes, guys, he's taking it out. I'm not able to do it because I'm getting ready to go out of town, so they got somebody else to do it. And I'm going to tell you what, I am not mad at them for that. Look at this mess, alright? The PTU, oh my goodness, the shaft go from here to here. Oh my goodness, this is a pain. But what's disturbing is the transmission that they got us. Now he almost about to take this one out. He almost got it out. Oh, what a ugly setup. Guys, I am not mad at them for doing this. Let's take a look at the transmission that they actually got us, guys. It's a used one. Now, there's nothing wrong with used transmission. I just hope he got a warranty on it. I mean, look at this thing. You don't really have to judge something by the way it looks because it could work perfectly fine, but I just hope he got a warranty on it. It's used Nag-1 transmission that's attached to an all-wheel drive 5.7 liter Hemi. Oh my goodness, good luck, my guy. All right, guys, check this beauty out right here. Now, how many of y'all still think it's okay to drive through a puddle of water? No, guys. Remember the saying. It's actually not a saying, it's facts. You cannot compress water, meaning an engine is not able to compress water. Those pistons that's going up and down inside of your engine, it cannot compress water. So I'm assuming this person decided to try their luck. Now we're getting ready to put an engine in here. Look at y'all can see water in the intake, guys. Once that water hit those valves and that valve open and that water get inside the piston area, the combustion area, and those valves close and that piston come up and try to compress that water instead of air fuel mixture, kaboom. Yep, that'll be about it for you and your car. This is terrible. All right, so the engine is seized up. All right, Hydrolocked, what we used to call it. All right, getting ready to get an engine. So if y'all ever think about running through a puddle of water, don't do it. Think twice. All right, take it from your boy, JT the car guy.